So what is this entire scam that has added so much heat on the Siddaramaiah government in Karnataka? Well, the key figures are, of course, Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister, and BM Parvati, the Karnataka Chief Minister's wife. What is the charge against them? The Chief Minister is accused of irregularities in land allocation by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority. At the core is the transfer of 3.16 acres of land that was transferred to the Chief Minister's brother-in-law by an original landholder back in 2005. Now, there is a forgery claim. The Chief Minister's brother-in-law is accused of forgery to acquire this land from the first landholder. There was a compensation scheme where the wife, Parvati, wife of the Chief Minister, applied for the Muda's 50-50 scheme during the Siddaramaiah tenure. Now, what is the BJP's charge and why are they raging against what they call the Muda scam? They say that Siddaramaiah and the administration are involved in this land scam, even though the transfer of land happened under a BJP government. Land scam cost the state treasury 45 crore rupees, alleges the BJP. Now, the Chief Minister's defense, he says there was no scam at all. He says the land was a gift to his wife Parvati from the brother-in-law. The 50-50 compensation was processed, and this is important, under a BJP government. Siddaramaiah has welcomed any investigation, but there is a case in court right now. And the big relief that's coming in for Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, the High Court has directed no action against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah for the moment. The High Court has asked the trial court to defer its probe into the land scam. The allegations against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, the High Court will be hearing Siddaramaiah's plea next on August the 29th. Until then, no actions can be taken. So no direct actions against the Chief Minister can be taken by any investigating authorities or the lower courts until August the 29th, when the next hearing will be taking place. Sagai Raj is with me live. Sagai, the Muda scam allegations are escalating rapidly now in a court of law between the Chief Minister, the Governor and the courts right now, but some relief now coming in for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
Absolutely. Till 29th of this month, so there cannot be any kind of action will be taken against Karnataka Siddaramaiah, because there are two pleas which has been in the court. The lower court, where they got the sanction for the prosecution, where the actual case will be heard, who has done the irregularity. And two is the petition which questions the prosecution sanctioned by the governor, which is where the senior counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi has argued pros and consequences of this particular case, where he has explained that how Siddaramaiah has been hooked in this particular case, where there are many of the people who have got this particular land, but only Siddaramaiah has been targeted when it comes to this particular Muda scam. And he has also mentioned that the reputation of the complainant T.J. Abraham, where the Supreme Court has criticized him. And there are also other things which has even explained about 17A, how the governor doesn't have powers to sanction the prosecution. So there are various...
Okay, we've lost that line with Sagai. We'll go back to him, but the protests are intensifying in Karnataka. Obviously, it's taken on a fully political hue. In fact, these allegations first came out from the BJP, the opposition party in Karnataka. Protests are intensifying as political tensions escalate over this alleged Muda scam. The Congress party, the ruling party in Karnataka, has taken to the streets demanding Governor Thawarchand Gehlot's resignation after he authorized an investigation into Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Meanwhile, the BJP and JDS are rallying for Siddaramaiah's resignation. Take a look. Go back, go back. Go back, go back, go back.
It's protest versus protest in Karnataka over Muda scam. The Congress is up in arms against Governor Thawarchand Gehlot, demanding his resignation after he gave the nod to investigate Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in the Muda scam. Party workers blocked roads and shouted slogans accusing the governor of being a puppet in the hands of BJP and JDS.
So just to character assassinate him, just to disturb this government, just to derail the administration, the central government, BJP and these people have hatched a conspiracy. So when a governor behaves like this, we have nothing to hide, we have nothing to fear. But this is unconstitutional.
On the other hand, the BJP and JDS legislators protested in front of the Gandhi statue at Vidhan Sauda, demanding Siddaramaiah's resignation.
One side it is the Congress which is protesting against the governor for granting prosecution against Karnataka Chief Minister CM Siddaramaiah after carrying out a Padayatra. Now the BJP is protesting in front of Vidhan Sauda demanding the resignation of CM Siddaramaiah, and they have also alleged that if Siddaramaiah continues in the power, he can influence the investigation.
When governor has acted as per the rule, as per the prevailing rules, Chief Minister himself giving call to the agitation is totally unconstitutional. So Bharatiya Janata Party, we have been demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister based on the scandal that has been going on from last couple of months.
Siddaramaiah has filed a writ petition in the Karnataka High Court against the governor's decision. The Congress claims there is a conspiracy to destabilize its government.
ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. ರಾಜಭವನವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಜೆಡಿಎಸ್ನವರು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದವರು ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮಸಿ ಬಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ದುರುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
The governor gave sanctions to investigate Siddaramaiah based on a complaint filed by an activist. Siddaramaiah's wife faces allegations of undue benefits in land allocation by the Mysore Urban Development Authority or Muda. The authority allotted her land in a developed locality allegedly worth more than the land acquired from her by Muda.
Till the last of irregularities, misuse, fraud and misuse of the power, this illegal gain, everything is made by the Siddaramaiah and family members. They are doing. There is no doubt. There is a lot of documents are available.
The Congress High Command has backed Siddaramaiah in the Muda case, forcing his detractors within the party to close ranks behind the Chief Minister.
The Congress has alleged that Governor Thawarchand Gehlot has been acting at the behest of BJP-led central government and has been acting as their puppet. The BJP too launched similar protest in front of Vidhan Sauda, demanding for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's resignation. However, the Chief Minister himself and his deputy D.K. Shivkumar has made it very clear that there is no question of Siddaramaiah's resignation and he will continue being the Chief Minister of Karnataka. With camera person Shivu, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Bangalore.
But we need to break down what the allegations in this alleged Muda land scam really are. At the center of it is 3.16 acres of rural land outside Mysuru. India Today's Sagai Raj travelled to the exact spot where this land is to investigate these alleged irregularities. Here's his exclusive ground report.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah finds himself at the center of the Muda land scam. The controversy revolves around the alleged irregularities in allotment of compensatory sites. At the heart of the scam is 3.16 acres of land gifted to the Chief Minister's wife by her brother. India Today travelled to Mysuru to get to the bottom of the issue. This is where the land in question is. This is where it all began, in Kesare village. In 1996-97, Mysore Development Authority acquired this 3.6 acre of land by paying a compensation of 3.7 lakh to a local farmer. In 1998, this land was dropped from land acquisition. 6 years later, in 2004, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's brother-in-law Mallikarjun bought the 3.16-acre land from the son of the original owner who had died. India Today tracked down Manjunath Swamy, the son of the alleged original owner. In his first and only interview, Manjunath Swamy claims that the sale of the land itself was illegal, since signatures from all stakeholders were not obtained.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತೀರೋಗಿದ್ದು 22/8/1988ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ತೀರೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈಚೆಗೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಂತರ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ದೇವರಾಜರವರು ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಖಾತೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರು ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. 98ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಇವರು ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಿಂದನೇ ಇವರು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿನವ್ರಿಗೆ.
In 2010, this 3.16-acre land was gifted to Parvati BM, wife of Siddaramaiah. 4 years later, it was allegedly acquired illegally by Muda, with Siddaramaiah's wife requesting it to provide a plot in place of the lost land. Siddaramaiah's 2018 poll affidavit listed the value of this 3.16 acres of land at 25 lakh rupees. These were the plots that were offered to the Chief Minister's wife in compensation. 14 in total in Vijayanagar. 2023 Siddaramaiah poll affidavit showed these 14 plots with his wife received in lieu of village land with a value of 8.33 crore rupees. Politics aside, the entire saga has raised some key questions. How did someone who was not the title owner of the land sell it to Chief Minister's brother-in-law? Was there a deliberate attempt to gift the land to Chief Minister's wife to get litigation land transferred? Why was the real owner of land not compensated if Inam holder's registry was cancelled? Siddaramaiah has denied charges of irregularities, saying that his wife was awarded compensation when the BJP was in power and that it was her right. With Sagai Raj in Mysuru, Bureau Report, India Today.